Hi everyone, Paul with Gander Outdoors, and I'll be talking about the Gerber LineDriver Fishing Line Management Multi-Tool. The compact dual-ended Gerber LineDriver has everything needed to simplify line management. One end rotates to quickly tie knots and clear eyelets. The other end features a crimper, hook threader, and scissor snips. A pocket clip and tether point keep the tool secured for easy access. Keep the line in the water and the Gerber LineDriver on your belt. Thanks for watching. For this and other great products, shop online or visit your local Gander Outdoors.